Welcome back to this video. In this video, I'll show you on how to run antivirus check on your Android phone. So let's see. But before we dive into the tutorial, if you find this tutorial useful and you are very new to this channel, remember click on that subscribe, turn on notification bell for more useful tutorial like this. So with that being said, let's get started. The very first thing you need to do is to open up your Phone Master on any Android phone. So I'm going to simply click on my Phone Master, just like so. Then having opened up your Phone Master, next thing you need to do is to simply go to security scan right here. And it's load up like this. Then you need to allow it to scan thoroughly on your phone. Just like so. After a successful scan, then you will be told the number of apps that have issue on your phone. So what you need to do is to simply click on uninstall and the app will be removed on your phone, and then your phone will be much more safe. It's as simple as that. So basically, this is how to simply run antivirus check and how you can simply remove virus apps on your Android phone. I hope you really got value for this video. If you find this video useful, give this video a big like, and also remember to subscribe to the channel for more useful tutorial like this. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.